guys, welcome back. This is Lena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about Ubtan and why it's good for your skin, and two products which are really good for your skin which has Ubtan in it. So let's start. Ubtan is this powder which has these amazing ingredients, which has like besan, your saffron, turmeric. In Ayurveda that's called Ubtan, and we usually use it during like shadi ke time pe, haldi ke time pe. So you can see, the next day the bride's face is so nice and glowing. So Ubtan is really good for your skin. You must have heard your mom, grandmom, they keep saying ki Ubtan lagao, it's good. So I have these two products which has Ubtan in it, and there are no harmful chemicals, so it's perfect for your skin. And the first one is this face wash by Mamaearth. So it's their Ubtan face wash. It has turmeric and saffron, so this is good for tan removal. If you've like tanned, because it's summers now, you're about to like tan, so it's good for your skin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use it and show it to you. So just rinse your face, and then you take a little bit of this face wash, अच्छे से apply it on your face. So it has like this walnut beads also, so it's really good for like exfoliating also. So it will get rid of all your dead skin, it will remove tan. So once you've done this, just rinse your face, and then I'll show you my next product. So I've rinsed my face, and you can see that instant glow, after washing my face with this face wash. I can see the difference, can you? So moving on to my next product. So guys, this is my next product. It's by Mamaearth again. It's their Ubtan face mask. So this has turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. I'm gonna apply it to you and show it to you. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. Guys, this smells really good, and it has that thanda wala feeling once you apply it on your face. So you all know that Mamaearth products are like paraben free and silicone free, and this has turmeric and saffron. Turmeric is really good, slows down your aging process. Good, it's really good. It protects you from the sun damage and all of that, and gives you a nice glow. Saffron, so we all know, it gives you that nice glow, and it also helps in like blood circulation of your face when you apply it, and it gives you that really cool and calm feeling. So I'm done with applying my face pack, and I'm gonna just let this stay for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off. And I have a little surprise. I have a special coupon code where you get like 20% discount if you use my code. My code is GAUDA2021. So you can just go to mamaearth.in and you can get your Mamaearth products, and you will get discount. And also Mamaearth, they've released their goodness calendar on Earth Day, where you get to know that they planted about 1 lakh trees. Then 1135 metric ton of plastic has been recycled, and they've distributed like 50,000 sanitizers and about 20,000 masks to like COVID heroes. And Mamaearth is an Indian brand. It's doing so well, and they're really good, guys. So you should go get Mamaearth products and get a discount also using my code. And I'll put the link down below from where all you can get Mamaearth products. And they also have the app now, so it's for both iOS and Android. And also if you get the app, you will get a chance for early access for like these discounts, so you'll get like special discount. And go get your product now, and comment in the section below to ask me any questions if you have, and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Lena Official. Thank you so much for watching, guys.